Hey guys, so today I have got the May box for Witch Casket to show you. If you haven't seen me open this before, it's £29 in the UK and they do post it worldwide. I'll put all of the prices that I know down below in the description. So we are just going to open this. I've not opened this yet. I don't know what is in here. I've not seen it myself. So we're kind of opening this together. This month, like I said, this is the May box and it seems to be that the theme is kind of like a whitey beige sort of colour. Usually the booklet gives it away that that's kind of the theme for the box. So not loving this colour, but it is magical healing, which is the theme. So I guess it does sort of go with that. This is just a little booklet that tells you about everything in there in case you need any information, but we're not going to read off that. I am just going to show you everything. So the first item right on the top is our little art print. You always get an art print. It's not showing up great on camera because it's so pale, but it's kind of like a hand outline with some herbs and a little moon and stuff. Hopefully you can kind of see it. Then next on the top is this very cute little burlap sort of sack bag. And it has a moon and that same design on the front. Oh, I think this might be our spell kit for the month. Yeah, I think this is kind of like our spell kit for the month because I don't see another bag. So instead of the little paper one like usual, we have this very cute little bag. And this is an emotional healing aura spray. So it says we've got some rose quartz chips, a little spray bottle like an infuser, and some lavender as well. I will hold this up, the instructions, in case anyone wants to pause and read it. That is how you make it. Oh, and the little bottle actually has the same design. I don't know if it's going to show up, but it is engraved on there really, really faint. The little moon and flowers. So that's very cute. Little bag. Then next we have our tea for the month. You always get 2 tea bags, and this is a healing witch's brew. So it says it's a rose and mint one apparently, and it says brew with intent, drink mindfully and affirm. In this witch's brew I find natural healing for body and mind. So that is our 2 little tea bags. Next we have our little enamel pin. Again, you do always get a pin, and it's that same design that they seem to have put on everything. Little moon with the, it kind of looks a little bit like lavender. I'm going to say it's lavender on there. Pretty cute. It's just got one little pin on the back. And then we have our crystal. Again, always get a crystal, gemstone, some kind of stone in some way. And this one is an amethyst healing crystal. It's got a little symbol on there. It is quite a small stone. Very dark purple though, which is nice. And it comes with a little card. So for this it says, inscribed with our powerful healing sigil, this amethyst is an excellent physical and emotional healer, and amethyst's calm, serene energy makes this a great meditation aid. It's also a natural tranquilizer. It relieves stress and strain, soothes anxiety and irritability, calms anger, fear and grief. So that is our little amethyst. Then we have this, so this like bigger bag, and in here we have a wooden intention or healing easel. So it's like a really cute little tiny art easel, and it says so mote it be on the front. It says for this, use this magical easel as an aid to setting intentions, particularly useful for things such as distance healing spells. Place a picture of the person for whom you are casting a spell to aid you as you work your magic. So basically it's kind of like a little holder, so you could place your cards on there, you could place pictures on there, whatever you need it for. It's just a little holder for your altar or desk or wherever you want it to be. So there is that. Then we have this, which is a healing amethyst potion infuser. I thought this was like a tea infuser. I guess you could use it for that. So it's just a little cage, and you put your herbs or tea or whatever you want in there, and then you shut it so that it doesn't come out. And on this end it does have a little wrapped amethyst on there. Super pretty. It would look really cute in a cup if you're using it for tea, like I said. So this one says, use this infuser to steep your herbs, crystals, etc. to make potions, infusions and elixirs. Amethyst is a calming stone of peace and healing which can soothe the heart, body and mind. So yeah, you can use it for herbs, crystals, stuff like that, or just tea, honestly, which is probably what I will end up using it for. I don't love flavoured teas, but there are some that I do like, so I'll definitely give that a try sometime. And then we've actually only got 2 things left before the scroll. I feel like this is kind of a little bit of an empty box, maybe, I'm not too sure. So I'm assuming that this is kind of like the biggest item of the box, and it's this like wooden box. It's got a crystal grid, I believe, on the top and sort of like a little indent, so I'm assuming you put a crystal in there. It slides open, and in here there is some little amethyst chips, and it says that this is a crystal healing wooden box. So I will hold these up because I don't want to bore you all reading stuff. So that is the instructions. And then that one. So I guess it's kind of like a spell sort of box, but you could also use it for other things if you wanted to. Just a little plain wood box. And then we've only got some incense sticks and our scroll. So these are heart healing incense. It says, surround yourself with the healing vibrations of jasmine and rose. They smell pretty good, honestly. The affirmation is, I surround myself with healing energies and vibrations which soothe my heart and soul. So that is what they look like. And then we just have the scroll, so I will quickly show you this in case anyone wants to pause and read this. Trying not to absolutely damage the scroll, but the sticker seems to be really stuck on there today. I kind of wish they would do something else instead of using these stickers to do the scrolls, because if they just used like a little elastic band or something, you wouldn't damage the edges of the page. If you are actually going to keep these and use these in a book of shadows, it just kind of makes it look messy, and most of the time they end up ripping the other side of the page as well. So just in case Witch Casket is watching this, I kind of feel like I'm going to put that out there into the world as a suggestion. So this is simple healing spells. We've got distance healing, physical healing, spiritual healing and emotional healing. Pretty light coloured. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to read it all that well, but I will hold it just in case anyone wants to pause and zoom in and stuff. That is the 4 of those spells. So yeah, that was the May Witch Casket box. I will quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had the little art print, the heart healing incense sticks, the very cute little emotional healing spray spell in this bag, the little easel to put on cards or photos or whatever you want, the 2 little healing tea bags, the amethyst crystal, the little enamel pin for the month, the amethyst potion infuser or tea infuser, however you want to use it, and the wooden box with the little amethyst chips in along with the scroll. So all of these things in the May Witch Casket. Like I said, I feel like this one was a little empty compared to some of them. Sometimes they come with so many things. I guess the spell being in this little bag this month and the box were like the 2 bigger items, but honestly the rest of it is kind of small things. So I feel like we're maybe like missing an item this month, but yeah, it was an okay box, didn't hate it. I think the items in it are really cute. I like the little infuser and stuff, and I think this bag is really cute, but definitely not one of my favourite months. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below in the comments anyway. I'll put all of the information for them in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.